Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima Javed and I am here to present the paper of AD Tipa, AD Vasa, AD Pesi and AD 18E 2025 which was held on 13/7/2025. Let's start. Baba Farid Gun Chakkar belonged to which Sufi silsila? Chishtiya silsila. Shah Waliullah translated Holy Quran into which language? Persian. Nawab Wakarul Mulk was served in Aligarh College. Secretary. When Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League? 1913. During the meeting of Khilafat, who was the British PM in 1920? Lloyd George. Pakistan ideology was based on ideals of Islam. Quaid-e-Azam paper is located in National Archives, Islamabad. The territory of Kashmir is divided into how many countries? 3. First governor of NWFP, Kugingam. First TV station of Pakistan is in Lahore. In Pakistan, Majlis-e-Shura consisted of how many houses? 2. Who was responsible for economic and finance policy maker in Ziaul Haq era? Ghulam Ishaq Khan, US ambassador who died with President Ziaul Haq in plane crash. Arnold Rafael, who is called as savior of Pakistan. Abdul Qadir Khan. Pakistan purchased which jets from China? J-35. Which sector produced 2.5% in GNP of Pakistan? Mining. Kadamgah of Mola Ali is in Hyderabad. Heinz Seidel Foundation is in Pakistan is related to scholarships. Which book of Anatole Levin is related to past history of Pakistan? Pakistan, a hard country. Which book of Fatma Bhutto is related to her family and histories? Songs of Blood and Sword. National river of Pakistan, Indus. What is the altitude of Murray? 7,500 feet. Taluja Fort located in Swan Valley. Now I am going to discuss world affairs. Tolu is Afghanistan TV channel. Maya Bay Beach is located in Thailand. Political system in Saudi Arabia, monarch. The Three Sister Rivers term is associated with which river? Ireland. Moulin Rouge is located in Paris. World driest desert is located in South America. Mount Mitchell is the highest peak of which mountain? Appalachian. Now we will discuss computer MCQs. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. HTML is used for develop web pages. Application of technology which is used to secure the networks and software from attack. Cybersecurity. Autocorrect is used for words in document misspelled. Which of the following is wrong format for Excel formula? Without equal 10 plus 15. Which process is used to represent the slides in continuous process slideshow? Next, we will discuss geography and EDS. NASA's Sphere X mission is related to history of universe. Sun is a yellow star and temperature of sun is 600 degrees centigrade. Earth atmosphere extends to the height of roughly about above the Earth's surface, that is 20,000 kilometer. Distance between Moon and Earth is 3,80,000 kilometer. Logarithms were introduced by the great Muslim mathematician Al-Khwarizmi. Oxygen discovered by J.S. Priestley. W.K. Rontgen discovered X-rays. Kinetic and potential energy are which types? Mechanical. Thermoflask is used to maintain temperature. Influenza caused by virus. Next we will discuss English. Synonym of connoisseur, lover of art. Analogy, robin, bird, bee, insect. He dashed smoking last year, gave up. The plane dash at 9 a.m. took off. The meeting has been dash until next week put off. Dash, turn dash the music. It's too loud. Turn down. Let us play here nice. Correction. Play here nicely. He was accused dash of. He is good dash playing piano at. He is allergic dash cats to. She dash her grandmother. They have the same nose. Take after. We arrived dash station just in time at. The books belong dash me to. What type of sentence? You do wrong but you do not show. None of these declarative sentence. He has no child from this child. Correction by. Now we will discuss maths. A person's age after 15 years will be 4 times his age 15 years back. What is his present age? 25 years. The asset after 25% increase per year, the amount becomes 445 and 50. What is the value of asset before 1 year is? That is 356 tetra 0. On Friday, 170 teacher present out of 200. What percentage of teacher was present on that day? 85%. A number is multiplied by 3. Instead of dividing 3, what percentage of number increased of desired value? 900%. For 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 6x plus my is equal to 14, find the value of m for which the system of equations have infinitely many solutions. Answer is 4. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is answer is 12. The pair of equations y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5 has solution. Answer is no solution. If the circumference of a circle and the perimeter of a square are equal, then the area of the circle is the area of the square. Answer is greater than. Next, the MCQs are supports. Pakistan won first Cricket World Cup in Australia in 1992. Which athlete of Pakistan qualified for Tokyo Olympics in javelin? Arshad Nadeem. Pakistan won its first hockey gold medal in Asian Games in Tokyo 1958. The jump ball term is associated with which sport? Basketball. Opening event of men heptathlon is 60-meter hurdle. The next MCQs are organization. Which organization celebrated 80th anniversary in 2025? UN. Pakistan joined UN in 1947. Which organization was agreed for staff level agreement to extend full facility in 2025 to Pakistan? IMF. The focus of IPCC 2025 resilience on climate change. Which personality announced free trade between China and ASEAN countries? Xi Jinping. Pakistan joined SEATO in 1954. What is the main objective of Asian Economic Integration Report 2025? Regional economic and trade integration. In April 2025, EU aid 1.6 million euros for Palestine. Which country do not follow CTBT? North Korea. Next are the MCQs of Urdu. वाह कितना खूबसूरत मंजर है, जुमला की निशानदही कीजिए. इस्तजाबिया. आज मरे कल दूसरा दिन से क्या मुराद है? आरजी जिंदगी. अंधेरी नगरी चौपट रात से क्या मुराद है? बेपरवाह हुकूमत. रबाई किस जुबान का लफ्ज़ है? अरबी. अंजुमन पंजाब किसने बनाई? डॉक्टर लीटन. मजलिस तरक्की अदब का दफ्तर कहाँ है? लाहौर. अगरचा कौन सा हर्फ है? हरूफ इस्तदराक. तनकीद की आज़ादी किसकी किताब है? मुजफ्फर अली सैयद. हफीज़ खान का कौन सा नावल बहावलपुर की तारीख पर है? आधे अधूरे लोग. अख्तर हुसैन जाफरी ने किसकी मौत पर तुझको किस फूल का कफन पहनाऊं नज़म लिखी? एजरा याउन्स. Next, we will discuss Islamiyat MCQs. Which battle is known as Yomul Furqan, Battle of Badr? हजूर पाक ने किस गजवा के बाद 3 दिन तक हमराउल असद में क़याम फरमाया? गजवा ओहद. गजवाउल असरत किस गजवा को कहते हैं? गजवा तबूक. सहीफा हमाम बिन मंबा کس کے متعلق ہے؟ ابو ہریرہ۔ امام شافعی کس کے شاگرد تھے؟ امام مالک۔